In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect OpenAI GPT-4 with any app via Zapier. We'll use a simple example so the process is easy to understand from start to finish. The basic idea is that Zapier will watch for something to happen in one app, then automatically send that information to GPT-4 so it can generate a response, summary, or any other output you need. To get started, log into your Zapier account. Once you're inside the dashboard, click Create and then select Zap. This opens a new automation where you'll set up both the trigger and the action. First, click the trigger step. This is the event that starts your automation. In the app search bar, look for Google Forms and select it as the app you want to connect to GPT-4. For the trigger event, choose New Form Response. That tells Zapier to run the workflow every time someone submits a response to your form. Next, connect your Google account so Zapier can access your forms. After that, select the specific form you want to use. Once the form is chosen, click Test Trigger. This is an important step because it checks whether Zapier can pull in sample form data successfully. Make sure the returned sample includes the fields you expect. If everything looks correct, click Continue. Now it's time to add GPT-4. Click the Action step, then search for and select ChatGPT. When prompted, connect your OpenAI account. After that, choose an action such as Conversation. This is where GPT-4 will receive the form data and generate a result based on your instructions. In the Instructions field, enter what you want GPT-4 to do. For example, you might ask it to summarize a submission, draft a reply, or analyze the information provided. Then map the Google Forms fields into the ChatGPT prompt. Mapping means inserting the actual form answers into your prompt, so GPT-4 can work with real submission data. This part matters because clear instructions and correct field mapping lead to better outputs. Once that's done, click Continue. Then click Test Step to verify that GPT-4 generates a response correctly. Review the result carefully to make sure the output matches your expectations. If everything looks good, click Publish to activate the Zap. Your automation is now live. To confirm it works, submit a new Google Form response, and then check that GPT-4 automatically processes the submitted data as expected. And that's it. You've successfully connected GPT-4 to an app through Zapier and created an automation that can save time and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching.